This is the unboxing for the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9S. I just got it from Vodafone. Okay, and that's the receipt. Okay, keep this aside. It comes with the bubble thing, and that's the box. Okay, and that's the Redmi Note 9S. Let's see what's behind that. This is the warranty, the selfie group. Okay, is there anything here? It says that this one is okay, so the address and whatsoever. Okay, there is nothing and no specifications written in here. There is no specifications written in the box. Okay, let's try to open that thing. How does it open? Okay, here we go. I got this thing. Pull it out. That's the warranty card. Okay. And let's see what we got. Alrighty. So that's the box. Okay. Let's open this in here. Okay, so in the box it's written the specifications in here. Just let me just open it first. Give me a moment, please. Alrighty. So here we got the Redmi Note 9S Interstellar Gray, 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of internal storage, and the package contents of. Let's see what's in there. Okay, let's go this. Okay, so that's the I believe the brochures thing. Oh, it's super huge. Okay, and in the box that's the phone. Let's get it out. Okay, and that's the color. Let's put it aside. Just a moment. Let's put it aside here. Okay, and I don't know what's this. Okay, anyways. And that's the fast charging. OMG. Okay, so that's the fast charging. It's written in here that it's by Xiaomi. How many watts it is? It says, I believe it's like okay, so it's 22.5. Wow. Alrighty. Anyways, and that's the charging cable, type C, and nothing in the box anymore. No headphones. Okay, let's open this one. Let's see what's inside. That's a brochure. Put it aside. And that's another brochure. Put it aside. And we do have the cover. It is green color. Alrighty. Okay, so let's just take a look at the phone. In the next review, I'm gonna just open the phone and see and tell you what's inside it. Okay.